Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you another tip about an entity. Actually, these tips can be used everywhere in your project in C#, but I'm going to show you on entities right now. As you know, the new version of C# comes with the kind of ability. I'm telling ability, some people can be afraid of actually get angry about this ability, but I like it. The thing if there is an action, property, or whatever it is there is a chance to be a null, there is a warning line underneath of the related action or property. As you can see, there's a green line underneath my property. So the compiler is basically, it's telling me your property can be null. Are you aware of that? And if I'm 100%, I know it's null or not null, so I can define it. It's the better way. Let me show you. This is my configuration and I assign it is required. So I am 100% sure this is not gonna be null. It cannot be. So I'm defining is not null. So it helps me. My codes are more readable and I know which one is null, which one is not null. It's better to understand for me. If there is a chance to be a null of your um, property, let me show you. Yeah, if you use a question mark, let's delete it. You will see the green line. Yeah, if you put a question mark at the end of your type, and it means it's telling the compiler, hey C sharp, I know this property might be null, and I'm happy with that. So that's all. You just releasing your compiler and you talking with it. That's the whole thing. If you really get rid of that green line and you don't want to use the question mark and the other things, just go to compiler settings and remove that warnings for all time, so you're not gonna see anytime again. But my suggestion is use my system and you can read your project, which is nullable, which is not null, which is 100% not null. You will able to see, and better you will better see your project anytime you reopen your project. Just imagine about 1 year later when you need to open your project, one of your project, when you look at your properties, your actions, your methods, you're going to see those question marks, those signs and everything, and you will understand straight away which one is null or not. Let's finish this tips here and see you on next tips, guys. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.